So I'm here with Stephen Milne, Marketing Manager for Riviera Yachts in Coomera. We're actually in the factory, as you can see, and what we're about to look at is Riviera's new 515 SUV. Now the boat doesn't actually float yet. We're literally looking at the new plugs, and there's a mock-up in the background we're about to have a walkthrough. This is really different. I haven't seen this before, so full mock-up for people to get a real feel of what the boat's all about before the thing even floats. I don't think it's even due to float until April next year. Or?
That's correct. We'll have our world release in May of next year at the Riviera Festival.
Oh, very exciting. Let's go and have a look. One of the things Riviera Boats does very well is sell the sizzle of a new boat long before it hits the water. What you can see here are artist concepts of what the boat's going to look like in the water. And on the right-hand side, we've got layouts of probably a couple of options, I would imagine, at how the SUV 515's actually going to be offered to the market once it does hit the water.
The really great thing about the 515 SUV is that it has a very flexible accommodation plan. Yep. Now, in this drawing here, you can have the master cabin aft. It's got a full-length porthole window here and an opening port, and here is the ensuite bathroom. You've got a guest VIP forward, and then you've got a separate cabin here with twin beds aft. In this layout here, you can have the forward cabin as the master with the double and ensuite, and then the two aft cabins, both with big full-length hull windows and opening portholes with two single beds. So this is great for larger families with 3 or 4 kids, or alternatively, you can have a mix of doubles and singles. Very flexible.
Yeah, very, very flexible.
Well, Jeff, now's the time to step into the future of Riviera, literally, and see what you'll be able to see at the Festival of Boating in May of next year, the world release of the new 515 SUV. This is a mock-up. She doesn't necessarily look that great on the outside because we are in this factory, but look at this.
A whole new world.
A totally complete boat.
So Stephen, I know Riviera as a company is very focused on what the customer actually wants. Tell me, how do you go about developing your layouts and your configurations? Where do you actually get that kind of data from?
Well, this is the ultimate embodiment of that, really. Long before the designers draw a boat, we'll spend quality time with owners talking about their next boat, their dream boats, and we form a view on where the market is moving, and then add our own vision to that as well. And this is, to me, the ultimate of that statement. This is an entire mock-up of a boat. It's a real boat in every respect, except it's not on the water, it's in the factory. And we're able to bring visitors through here to open drawers, see the height of bench tops, to sit in lounges, see the height of windows, to sit in the helm position, to lay in the beds, to stand in the shower recesses, to get all of that fantastic quality feedback before we build a boat. That's pretty unique.